Welcome to day 3 of our 31 days reading journey. Okay, so as we normally do it, we're going to start right away with our word list, trying to pronounce the words. Then we dive into reading. I know you are already prepared for today's lesson, so let's go right into it. So here are the words for today that we're going to be compiling for our comprehension. And remember, we are still working with business terminologies. The wordings we have here are mostly related to business. All right, so let's move on. I have them: advertising, advertising, research, marketing, related, various, stages, planning, first, should, objective, unless, clear, useful, would, enable, company, second, developing, strategy, product, third, selection, target, audience, facilitate, connection, classification, adequate, equal, necessary, attention, usage, conveyed, major, finally, finally, concern, itself, evaluation, order, weather, weather, weather. Justify, justify, justify. Reason, reason, reason. Ascertained, ascertained, ascertained. Improvement, improvement, improvement. Future, 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 future. Short, 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 short. Instrumental, instrumental, instrumental. Increasing, increasing, increasing. Pay off, pay off, pay off. Which, which, which. Demographic, demographic, demographic. Expenditure, expenditure, expenditure. Okay, so let's look at 2 letters, 3 letters, and 4-letter words we are likely going to find in our today's comprehension. So let's go. Is, to, of, be, in, so. That's 2-letter words. Is, to, of, be, in, so. For 3-letter words we have use, d, can, are, for, not, pay, may, out. Use, d, can, are, for, not, pay, may, out. Now for the 4 letters we have with, that, row, sin, what, use, this, may, will, area, find, made, from, will. Again we have with, that, role, sin, what, used, this, may, will, area, find, made, from, will. Now to phrase 2, let's practice the reading. Okay, let's go. So this is the comprehension we are able to come up with from all the list of words. Okay, so the topic is advertising research. Remember I said for this week we are focusing on business terminologies. The words you're going to be using here are business related words. So let's read it together. I read advertising research. Advertising research is marketing research that is related to advertising. The role of research in advertising can be seen in various stages of advertising planning. First, what should be the objective of advertising? Unless the objectives are clear, advertising cannot be useful. Research would enable the company to be clear in its objectives of advertising. Let's take it again. Advertising research is marketing research that is related to advertising. The role of research in advertising can be seen in various stages of advertising planning. First, what should be the objective of advertising? Unless the objectives are clear, advertising cannot be useful. Research would enable the company to be clear in its objective of advertising. Second, advertising research should be used for developing a strategy for marketing the products in question. Third, the selection of the target audience can be facilitated by advertising research. In this connection, mere demographic classification will not be adequate. It may be equally necessary to pay attention to product usage behavior. Let's take it again. Second, advertising research should be used for developing a strategy for marketing the products in question. Third, the selection of the target audience can be facilitated by advertising research. In this connection, mere demographic classification will not be adequate. It may be equally necessary to pay attention to product usage behavior. Fourth, another aspect where research can be useful is the selection of messages that an advertisement should carry. Through what media should it be conveyed? This is a measure of advertising research area. Finally, it has to concern itself with the evaluation of advertising in order to find out whether the expenditure on advertising has been justified or out. If not, the reasons should be ascertained so that an improvement in advertising can be made in the future. Alright, so this is what it is today, and I hope you got something. I hope we're actually making progress. Okay, so thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye for now.